Does the White Tulip Hostel Amsterdam offer a free city tour? A free city tour is listed among the White Tulip Hostel Amsterdam's traveller facilities. Because walking tour schedules and meeting arrangements can change, guests should ask reception for the current details after arrival. Before traveling, check the confirmation for your exact room and rate. Hostel facilities and booking conditions can differ by room type, booking channel, and arrival date. If this detail matters to your trip, contact reception with your name, booking reference, and date so the team can confirm the current arrangement. The White Tulip Hostel is in central Amsterdam on Warmoesstraat, within easy walking distance of Amsterdam Central Station, Dam Square, and the Red Light District. It is a practical base for backpackers, solo travelers, couples, families, and groups who want to explore the city from the center. For the latest details and direct booking options, visit the relevant page through the link in the description.